Hi guys, guess what? If you've been looking at getting some content created for you, especially you want to check some freelancers, well, I have the perfect solution for you that is way better than Grammarly and anything else like it because it's packed with so many different options. It is called Originality.AI, right? So Originality.AI is really specifically used a lot to check for content that's submitted by freelancers and even check plagiarism. And today I am going to show you exactly how it works and how it can save you a lot of time and get original content. Plus, think about going through and even I as an English teacher sometimes I've even tried to get something really kind of edited a little bit and I've just kind of hit a wall or my brain just wasn't working and it's helped me actually get um, the correct writing to it as well. So today we're going to walk you through it, so don't go anywhere, and if you want to try it out, check it out in the description below and you can check it with me and follow along or even just do some work for yourself. So let's go ahead and get logged in and we will. Okay, now we're logged in. So if you look on the left hand side up here, once you get logged in, you'll see your dashboard, your content scanner, your settings, for example. And here you're going to be able to check out your billing details, the recent payments, and everything else. So let's talk about it a little bit more. Detect AI content. So if this is a big thing too, and this product alone separately, which a lot of them have, but it's very expensive. So this one's combined all together. So what here, you can actually scan your text here for AI generated content, for plagiarism, for readability. So maybe you write very specifically and very with a lot of different words, but maybe it's really hard for your readers to understand it, and you can actually check that there as well. But here with detect AI content, you can actually scan for both at the same time. And then you have pay as you go. Now, if you know anything about Grammarly or Quillbot, for example, right, you pay the monthly prescription, but maybe you don't use it so often. And well, here you can actually purchase credits as you need them, and it works best for if you're an occasional user on the system. So, of course, a complete feature set and discounted credits, you can actually get the full subscription as well, but it is just an option for you. And like I said, so the plagiarism checker, make sure you're not copying anybody's kind of stuff. And this is all of your content scans here. Now you can do a new content scan or detect AI content. Now I have some AI content that I generated, but just to kind of show you how it works, we'll pull it up. Now, this is where the fun happens, right? So you have the AI check, the plagiarism check, the fact check, readability, and grammar. You can do this all right here. Just click those. Maybe you don't want to check for plagiarism, but you want to check for AI. I suggest do all of them just to kind of take a look. And let me get my content that I generated for you, and then we will take a look and show you how it works. All right, so this is a cool thing, and the plagiarism check, AI check, fact check, readability, and grammar. Now, I have a story that we wrote. Maybe you are a publisher and you are hiring a freelancer, a freelance ghostwriter, but you want to check and make sure that they didn't use AI, and you want to check for the readability, the grammar, and you just don't have the time to go and check their work, even though you shouldn't because it's the freelancer, right? But let's just say you do. So, very, very simple right here. It's 476 words and it's 25 credits, right? So this is very, very simple. So let's go to scan and we're going to give it just a second and get scanned in. And up here, you're going to be able to see likely AI or original, the plagiarism checker. And you can see this in percentages, which is really cool. So we'll give that just a second and let it do its work. And here we go. Now, for a fact, I used ChatGPT to create the story, and if we look, the AI checker, 100% AI. It says likely AI. So yeah, but I already knew that, but there is no plagiarism, which is a plus. Fact checking potentially true. It's just a fictional story, so it's not a big deal. So readability 77. And when you come up here, you can see this too. So 70% of the top results in Google had a Flesch Kincaid reading E-score between 31 and 62.4. So it's designed to assess the readability of a text. So it's okay. Spelling and grammar is correct, but it is likely AI. So this is a big thing here in how we check, right? So depending on what you want to do, and you can actually rewrite that right here as well. So we you can see here, this is Quillbot, but I don't want to rewrite it. So now when we go back, for example, you can come and check out the results, and you can actually remove the scan if you want to come back and check it later, or you can do it else. So you can start a new scan as well, pay as you go, and here you're going to get all of your details. So right off the bat, you see how fast and easy it was to get something scanned. So if you want to rewrite it, now you know. Or for example, if you have this content written by a freelancer, you can say, hey, look, you used AI. I want it handwritten, and then you can go. So check out the link in the description and go ahead and try Originality.AI today. And I promise you, it will save you a lot of time checking other information. And thank you guys for watching, and well, happy